Mastering the Plank, a guide to proper form and duration for real results. Hello, fitness enthusiasts and plank enthusiasts alike. At Vitality Vibes, we understand the importance of mastering foundational exercises for a strong and resilient body. Today, we'll delve into the art of planking, discussing the correct form and revealing the optimal duration to see real results. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, let's unlock the secrets to a powerful plank and maximize its benefits. Understanding proper plank form, the basics. Start strong. Begin in a push-up position. Place your hands directly beneath your shoulders, ensuring your wrists are aligned. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Core engagement. Activate your abdominals. Tighten your core muscles by drawing your belly button toward your spine. Avoid sagging or arching your lower back. Form matters. Maintain a neutral neck and spine. Keep your neck in line with your spine, looking down at the floor to maintain a neutral position. Ensure your spine is straight and not rounded or arched. Stable shoulders. Distribute weight evenly. Distribute your body weight evenly between your hands and forearms. Engage your shoulder blades to stabilize your upper body. Lower body alignment. Straight as an arrow, extend your legs fully, pressing through your heels. Avoid lifting or drooping your hips. Aim for a straight line from head to heels. Optimal duration for real results. How long to hold a plank? Now that you've perfected your form, let's explore the ideal duration to reap the maximum benefits of your plank routine. For beginners, 20-30 seconds. If you're new to planking, start with shorter durations. Aim for 20 to 30 seconds, focusing on maintaining proper form. Intermediate level, 45-60 seconds. As your strength improves, gradually increase your plank duration. Aim for 45 to 60 seconds, concentrating on a stable and controlled position. Advanced challenge, 60 seconds and beyond. For those seeking an advanced challenge, strive for 60 seconds or more. Push your limits while prioritizing perfect form to maximize results. Progressive approach. Gradually extend duration. It's crucial to progress gradually to avoid injury. Add 5 to 10 seconds to your plank duration each week as your strength builds. Unlocking the benefits. Why planks are worth your time. Core strength. Targeting abdominal muscles. Planks engage multiple muscle groups, especially the core. Strengthening your core contributes to improved stability and posture. Full body activation. Muscular endurance. Planks work not only your core but also your shoulders, back, and legs. Enhancing muscular endurance can boost overall fitness levels. Back health. Reducing lower back pain. A strong core supports your spine, reducing the risk of lower back pain. Regular planking can contribute to a healthier, pain-free back. Time efficiency. Quick and effective exercise. Planks are time-efficient exercise that can be easily incorporated into your routine. Achieve real results with just a few minutes of focused effort. As you embark on your plank journey, remember that quality always trumps quantity. Perfect your form and gradually extend your duration to witness real results. Share your plank progress or tips in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness insights from Vitality Vibes. Until next time, here's to mastering the plank and building a foundation of strength.